Welcome. If you're tired of missing important messages or simply want a more organized inbox, this guide is for you. Today, I'm walking you through the easiest way to view unread emails on the Gmail app as of 2025. Updated, simple, and quick. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the right account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in, you'll start on the main inbox screen where all your emails are listed. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar menu icon. It's 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Tap that icon. This will open up a sidebar with several different folders, labels, and settings. Among the options in this menu, scroll until you see Unread. Tap it once. Instantly, you'll see a filtered list showing only your unread emails. This means every message you haven't yet opened is now front and center, all in one place, making it much easier for you to catch up and stay organized. These steps are consistent whether you're using an Android or iPhone. If you don't see the Unread option right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Occasionally, the location of Unread might vary a bit depending on device or settings, but it is almost always found in that left-hand menu after tapping the 3 lines at the top left. Why is this helpful? Organizing your emails with just one tap saves significant time, especially if your inbox gets flooded every day. You'll never have to scroll endlessly or worry about missing urgent mail again. Plus, once you've read or responded to an email, it'll automatically disappear from the unread section. For even more control, consider setting your inbox type to unread first in the settings menu. That way, unread emails will always appear at the top of your main inbox view, not just when you tap the menu. But even if you don't change any settings, the steps I just shared will help you quickly access those unread messages whenever you need. That's it. With just a few taps, you can confidently find all your unread emails and keep your Gmail inbox under control. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and happy emailing.